Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here's how to make the most deliciously baked salmon in 15 minutes. In a small bowl, gather 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh parsley, 2 or 3 cloves of chopped garlic, salt and pepper. Place a layer of parchment paper on the kitchen counter. Put the salmon fillets on top of the parchment paper. Then coat the fillets with the dressing. Cover the fillets with the paper and secure the edges by folding inwards. This way, salmon fillets will be cooked with their own juice rapidly, without a mess. Bake for 15 minutes in an oven preheated at 200 degrees. Salmon fillets are ready to serve. Serve with lemon slices on side. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!